Which are the new solutions to process pineapples? We'll find out with Virginia Cascella by the Italian company PND. It's February, and as usually we are at Fruit Logistica, and we pay a visit to PND. But before to start our interview, let's say happy birthday to PND.
And thank you, Sonia. Thank you, and welcome again at our booth here in Fruit Logistica. Here we are celebrating our 24 years, and we are really very happy. We were just a small startup, and now we are a leader company in the fruit processing machinery. So we are really very satisfied and happy of this result.
I want to remind to our audience that PND circulate its solutions in more than 60 countries all over the world.
Exactly.
Since that, PND is focused on the processing of fruit. Now, at Fruit Logistica 2025, it's showcasing two specific solutions for pineapples, similar but different, which are, Virginia, the main features and the two targets.
We have now two machines. One is for manual processing and one for automatic. The manual equipment is dedicated to the cutting of pineapple in chunks, fingers, rings. And is a manual solution because it's for small companies. Then would you like to start the processing of fresh cut? The other one is an automatic machine. The name is APC, and is more dedicated to big companies that already have good numbers. For example, supermarket, they supply already supermarkets, so they have high numbers, as I already said.
I suppose that the two lines, as usual, have the same features. So, for example, relating the cleaning, the footprint.
Yeah, exactly. Both are very simple to be used, are very friendly use, and very quickly is the maintenance. So this is always very important for the customer because they don't want to lose many time after the processing. So this is always our focus, a very simple machine.
Okay, so let's summarize. PND is showcasing a very new solutions, two solutions for pineapples. The first one for small capabilities, and the second one for bigger.
Exactly.
So let's say shops and supermarkets, something like that. So where we can meet PND in the next month?
We will be in Africa, South Africa, with the Propak Africa in Johannesburg, but also in Asia for Propak Asia in Vietnam. So yes, we continue our exhibition tour.
Of course. So you can contact PND by that company or all over the world.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, PND, and thank you to Virginia Cascella.
Thank you too, Sonia.